Today I will draw a diagram of digestive system. Let's start it. This is tongue. In the buccal cavity, there are three pairs of salivary gland. One which is present under the tongue is called as sublingual, and the other one which is under the lower jaw or mandible is called as submandibular, and there is a third pair of salivary gland which is near to the ear, that is called as parotid gland. Now this is pharynx. From the pharynx, both nasal passage or nasal cavity and oral cavity, they get separate. Nasal passage that leads to trachea, while your buccal cavity that leads to esophagus. Now this is esophagus, which is a long tube. Then it ends into stomach. After stomach, small intestine it starts. Now on the right side of stomach, a largest gland of the body, largest exocrine gland of the body that is present, which is called as liver. Liver, it stores its secretion into a bag-like structure called as gallbladder. This is gallbladder. And under the stomach, another gland that is present, that is called as pancreas. Students, both liver and pancreas, they are called as accessory glands. These are the pancreatic ducts coming from the pancreas. Pancreatic duct and bile duct coming from the liver, both join together and then open up into the small intestine. Now let me draw first large intestine. Students, a large intestine that consists of three parts. ascending colon, this one is transverse colon, and then descending colon. Its coils can be shown with the help of small dentations. Now I will complete small intestine. It is highly coiled part, especially its last part, which is called as ileum. And from outside it is surrounded by large intestine. This small intestine opens up into large intestine into a part which is called as cecum. This first part of the large intestine is called as cecum. Large intestine or cecum that is having a finger-like projection which is called as appendix. Now let me label all these parts. This is parotid, salivary gland. This is submandibular, salivary gland, and this is sublingual salivary gland. This first part is called as tube-like part is called as esophagus. Students, keep in this thing in your mind that inside the esophagus no kind of digestion that occurs. This is stomach. First part of the stomach is called as, our first end is called as cardiac end and last end is called as pyloric end. This is liver, gallbladder, pancreas, this is cecum, this hole is large intestine, and this part is called as small intestine. Last part of the large intestine is called as rectum. It ends into anus, and this finger-like part is called as appendix. So this is all about digestive system of man. Thank you, students.